Hi guys, this is Teacher Marie, your teacher for today. So before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So our topic for today is all about quadratic equation or not. We are going to identify if the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. So first, let us have a review about quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation in one variable is a mathematical sentence of degree 2. It can be written in standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Okay. So in the equation or the standard form, which is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, ax squared is a quadratic term, bx is the linear term, and c is the constant term. So here are the examples or the given equation that we are going to identify if it is a quadratic or not. So we have here number 1, x squared minus 3x plus 4 equals 0. Number 2, the quantity of x minus 5 times the quantity of 2x plus 5 equals 0. And number 3, we have x cubed plus 4x is equal to 5 plus 4x. And we have number 4, x times the quantity of x plus 7 times the quantity of x plus 4 is equal to 0. And the last, we have x plus 4 times the quantity of x squared minus 5 is equal to 0. So let us check it one by one. So number 1, x squared minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So according to the meaning of quadratic equation, it should have a variable which the highest exponent is equal to 2. So according to this example, the highest exponent of the variable x is 2. That's why the given is a quadratic equation. Okay, let us proceed to number 2. Number 2, the quantity of x minus 5 times the quantity of 2x plus 5 equals 0. In this case, you're going to use the FOIL method to simplify it to know if it is a quadratic equation or not. So in the FOIL method, we have f for first term, o for the outer term, I for the inner term, and L for the last term. Okay, for the first term, we are going to multiply x times 2x. The answer is 2x squared. Next, for the outer term, we have x times 5 is equal to 5x. Then we have the inner term. We have negative 5 times 2x. The answer is 10x, negative 10x. And the last term, we have negative 5 times 5, which is negative 25. Okay, this is the answer. But we still have to simplify it by combining like terms. The like terms are 5x and negative 10x. So what is the answer? The answer is negative 5. That's why it is 2x squared minus 5x minus 25 equals 0. So therefore, class, it is a quadratic equation. Okay, let us proceed to number 3, which is x cubed plus 4x is equal to 5 plus 4x. So in this case, we are going to arrange it or simplify it, it should be x cubed minus 5 equals 0. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation because of x cubed. Next, we have x times the quantity of x plus 7 times the quantity of x plus 4 equals 0. Okay, so we are going to distribute x to the first binomial. So the answer is x times x, 2x squared. X times 7 is 7x. That's why the first term or the first binomial is x squared plus 7x times the quantity of x plus 4 equals 0. So use the FOIL method again. First term, x cubed. Then the outer term, which is x squared times 4, is 4x squared. The inner term, 7x times x. The answer is 7x squared. The last term, 7x times 4, the answer is 28x. Then, combining like terms, x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x squared plus 28x equals 0. The like terms, we have 4x squared and 7x squared. The answer is 11x squared. Then the final answer is x cubed plus 11x squared plus 28x equals 0. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, number 5, the last item. We have the quantity of x plus 4 times the quantity of x squared minus 5 is equal to 0. So again, use the FOIL method. The first term, x times x squared, x cubed. Next, the outer term, x times negative 5, negative 5x. The inner term, 4 times x squared, is 4x squared. And the last term, we have 4 times negative 5. The answer is negative 20. And as you can see in this given, we have x cubed. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. So that's all. Goodbye and thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell.